Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Breathless Montego Bay, where you can live big and breathe deep. So as we mentioned on the secret side, due to some COVID protocols locally, your minibar items will be placed in your secrets box, or in this case, Breathless box, and then you'll be able to load your minibar yourself. They are, of course, happy to give you additional supplies daily. Here we also have, as part of the COVID protocols, which is consistent throughout our portfolio, we have the toiletries that are individually wrapped for you, also some additional hand sanitizer. Here you have your toilet behind the shaded door. And then if you ever wanted to shower with an ocean view, here is your chance. This beautiful rain-headed shower completely looks into the room as well as the ocean in the distance. So this is an Xhale Club Oceanview room here at Breathless Montego Bay. Breathless is an extremely high-tech brand for us, especially here. Here, the tablet that's included with your room, you can control your lighting, you can control opening and closing the privacy shade here on the shower, and you can even change that background lighting. You can also open and close your shades directly from bed. So if you had a little too much to drink the night before and you want to keep those shades closed, or you just want to get the light creeping in and not get out, you have an option. So here in this first cabinet on the right-hand side, I'm not going to open it. This is where you have some glassware as well as your safe. And then this cabinet over here is your minibar. Of course, you're welcome with a lovely sparkling beverage. And then you have this gorgeous balcony area. So kick back, relax, live big, breathe deep. All the rooms here have a jetted tub on the balcony. So thank you again for visiting the Xhale Club Oceanview at Breathless Montego Bay.